Hey there, foodies! Are you looking for a delicious way to lift your spirits and nourish your body? Today, I'm sharing 5 simple foods that can help boost your mood and leave you feeling fantastic. 1. Dark chocolate. Indulge your sweet tooth with a square or 2 of dark chocolate. It contains antioxidants and compounds that can increase serotonin levels in your brain, promoting feelings of happiness and well-being. 2. Berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, these little gems are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. They not only taste delicious but can also help reduce inflammation and improve mood. 3. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Omega-3s can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, leaving you feeling calm and content. 4. Leafy greens. Load up on spinach, kale, and other leafy greens to boost your mood and energy levels. They're rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a key role in neurotransmitter function, helping regulate mood and reduce feelings of stress. 5. Nuts and seeds. Snack on almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds for a mood-boosting crunch. They're packed with magnesium, which can help regulate serotonin levels in the brain and promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. There you have it,